Welcome to this week's Tutorial Tuesday. Today we're going to have a little Halloween fun decor. We're going to be making a bat garland. To do this craft, you will need some black construction or cardstock paper, a pen, a pair of scissors, some black yarn, a bat template, and a hot glue gun. First step in our process is we're going to lay out the bat template already cut out, and we're going to trace around the bat. You can make as many bats as you like, however long you want to make your garland. So once you've cut out all of your bats, we're going to start folding them. And I have a template here next to me because it shows along the dotted lines where we need to fold. So let's first start by folding along the inside of the wing there. I'm gonna fold inward so it looks like he's giving himself a little hug. Next I'm gonna do the big dotted line here at the tip of the wing. So we're gonna fold that inward. And then on the outer part of the wing, we're gonna fold that out. So we're making an accordion shape with our bats. And there we have our folded bat wings. We're gonna repeat that process on all of our bats. Once you have all of your bats folded, it looks like they're flying away, we're going to hot glue them to some yarn. You can choose to space them out however you'd like. After you've glued all of your bats on, you now have a cute little bat garland you can hang up above your fireplace, above your desk space, or anywhere in your home just to have a spooky mood for the season. Thanks for crafting with us, and if you want to take a picture of your craft, be sure to share it with us on social media. See you next time!